You're standing in line. It's quiet. You're next. But it's taking forever. And then someone turns to you and says something like, "Pretty long wait, huh?" You smile nervously. Your brain starts racing. What do I say now? How do I respond? Should I talk? Should I stay silent? We don't usually think about it, but waiting in line is one of the most common real-life situations where small talk happens. In a coffee shop, at the airport, in a supermarket, at the bank, even in an elevator. And the good news is you don't need perfect English. You just need a few natural, friendly phrases and a little confidence. Let's talk about how to survive and maybe even enjoy small talk in English while doing something as boring as waiting in line. The power of small talk. Small talk is not deep conversation. It's not serious. It's not personal. It's a short, light, polite way to connect with someone, often a stranger, for just a few minutes. And in English-speaking countries, small talk is everywhere. It's part of the culture. It's how people say, "Hey, we're both here. Let's not make it weird." So when someone says something casual to you in line, they're not expecting a full conversation. They just want a little connection. And guess what? You can totally do that, even with simple English. Let's imagine a few typical waiting moments and how you might respond naturally. You're at a coffee shop and it's crowded. Someone says, "Busy today, huh?" You can say, "Yeah, it's packed. I guess everyone needs coffee right now. I didn't expect such a long line." Simple, real, natural. You're waiting for a bus. It's late. A stranger says, "Hope the bus comes soon." You might reply, "Me too. It's getting cold out here." It's always late on Mondays. I've been waiting for 20 minutes already. You don't need to ask questions. Just share your experience. You're in a supermarket checkout line. Someone sighs and says, "Always the slowest line, right?" Try saying, "Why does this always happen to me?" Playful tone. "Every time, I choose the wrong one." We should get a prize for waiting. Humor helps make awkward moments feel lighter. You're in an elevator. It's quiet. Someone says, "Nice weather today." You can respond, "Yeah, finally some sun. I hope it stays like this." Much better than yesterday. These little replies show you're friendly, even if the conversation only lasts 10 seconds. If someone speaks too fast or uses a word you don't know, don't panic. You can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that? I didn't catch that. Can you say it slower? I'm still learning English." Most people will smile and help. They're not testing you. They're just being polite. What if you don't want to talk? It's okay. If you're tired or just not in the mood, a smile and a short answer is enough. Someone says, "Long line today." You reply, "Yeah," smile. Then look at your phone or step slightly away. People will understand. Say these out loud to build fluency and confidence. Looks like we're all waiting forever today. This line's moving slowly. Busy place, huh? At least the coffee's worth it. Well, I guess it's one of those days. Nice chatting. Hope you have a great day. Even just 2 or 3 of these are enough to make you sound friendly and confident. Smile first, words second. In line, tone and body language matter more than vocabulary. A small smile, eye contact, short sentence, perfect small talk. You can forget a word. You can pause. You can be shy. It doesn't matter. What people remember is how you made them feel. Waiting in line might seem boring, but it's actually full of English-speaking opportunities. It's real-life English. It's not a test. It's just you, a stranger, and maybe a shared joke about how slow the line is. So next time someone says, "Looks like we'll be here a while," you'll be ready, because now you know what to say. Practice out loud, try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.